Hello everyone, I am Dr. Garima Sachdeva from Department of IT, and the subject that we are doing is Foundations of Management. The topic for today's video is Management Control and Decision Making. Management Control. Management seeks to achieve organizational goals through people in a dynamic environment and with constrained and scarce resources. After the plans are put into action, there can be several hurdles in the achievement of these goals. Therefore, management must find out what is going wrong, what changes in plan and directions are required, and what must be done to set things right. This is the function of control. Now, definition. Control is the process through which managers assure that actual activities conform to planned activities. Knut O'Donnell says managerial control implies measurement of accomplishment against the standard and the correction of deviations to assure attainment of objectives according to the plans. Control is aimed at results and not at people as such. Its purpose is to ensure that the intended results occur and not the people are punished. This is the process of control. Establishment of standards. Then after the employee performs, the measurement of the performance, and then comparing the performance with the already established standards, and if there is a lack, then taking corrective actions, and then analysis of the deviation, that why it never went according to the plan. Decision making. Decision making is an integral part of modern management. Essentially, rational or sound decision making is taken as primary function of management. A decision can be defined as a course of action purposely chosen from a set of alternatives to achieve organizational or managerial objectives or goals. Trivatha and Newport defines decision-making process as follows. Decision-making involves the selection of a course of action from among two or more possible alternatives in order to arrive at a solution for a given problem. Process. The process of decision making. Define the problem, then gather the information regarding the problem, that why did it occur, collect the data. Developing and weighing the options, whatever decision that you are making after collecting the data, what solution that you are making, make certain alternatives and weigh the alternatives according to the parameters. Then choose the best possible option, plan and execute, and then follow up the action whether the decision that you have taken was right or not. Thank you.